The following sign indicates a cycling road or road for the exclusive use by bicycles. False. The following traffic sign indicates no parking. False. Since areas in which this sign is posted may be slippery, you should reduce speed sufficiently to be able to proceed without braking. True. Only regular passenger cars may not access the road posted with the following sign. False. The following sign indicates that the road ahead is closed to all cargoes. False. The pictured sign indicates that vehicles may not proceed if the width of the vehicle, including any load, exceeds 2.2 meters. True. On the road posted with the following sign, regular cars may travel on the streetcar tracks, but large size and regular motorcycles may not. False. You should refrain from driving when sick or anxious and should only resume driving when you are feeling better. True. A driver holding a non-professional driver's license can operate a truck having a maximum loading capacity of 3 tons. False. Drivers holding a large-size automobile license may operate a large-size automobile, medium-size automobile, semi-medium-size automobile, a regular car, heavy special equipment, light special equipment, and general motorized bicycle. False. To overtake, turn on your turn signal and begin to accelerate after 3 seconds while changing lanes gradually. True. When being overtaken by another vehicle, you must not accelerate but have no particular obligation to yield to the vehicle, even when there is no sufficient width to overtake safely. False. When 2 vehicles traveling in opposite directions approach an obstruction in the road, the vehicle that arrives at the obstructed area first has the right of way. False. When stopped in an automatic vehicle at an intersection or the like, keep your foot on the brake pedal and set the handbrake for added insurance. True. You must stop temporarily before a railroad crossing and ensure the way is safe before proceeding, even when the road is not marked with a stop line. True. Route buses have the right of way over other vehicles when turning right at a green signal. False. Automobiles and motorized bicycles, except for motorized bicycles which must make a 2-step right turn, are permitted to make a right turn at the following traffic signal. True. Swinging the flashlight to the side, as indicated in the drawing, is equivalent to a yellow signal for traffic traveling in the direction of the arrow. False. The hand signal shown in the drawing is equivalent to the traffic light for traffic traveling straight ahead. False. The following sign directs you to turn left. True. When driving for practice with a learner's permit, you must affix the "In Practice Learner's Permit" mark to either the front or rear of the vehicle. False. The following sign directs you to turn left. True. On roads where center line is provided, you must drive on the left side of the center line, but as close as possible to the center line. False. On the road in the following diagram, you may overtake the vehicle with a minimum amount of your vehicle extending into the right-hand lane. False. On roads with multiple traffic lanes, vehicles must not straddle 2 lanes unless it is unavoidable. True. You may enter the pedestrian-only road when you have garages, storage sheds, or the like alongside the road. True. When an emergency vehicle approaches, vehicles in an intersection must immediately pull over to the left and reduce speed. False. When you notice an emergency vehicle approaching from the rear in an intersection, you must immediately come to a halt on the spot. False. Light special equipment, motorized bicycles, and light vehicles are permitted to travel in traffic lanes designated by markings or signs as exclusive lanes for route buses, etc. True. Motorized bicycles can access exclusive lanes for route buses, etc. at any time. True. Vehicles turning right or left may not use traffic lane B. True. At the pictured intersection having no traffic control, vehicle A on the left may proceed before vehicle B. False. The designated maximum speed limit for automobiles and general motorized bicycles is 30 km per hour on a road posted with the following sign. True. When following another vehicle, you must maintain a distance approximately equivalent to the braking distance of your vehicle. False. The best way to stop an automobile is not to brake unnecessarily hard, but only to brake to a stop after first reducing speed gradually by letting up on the accelerator. True. You must drive slowly on steep uphill and downhill. False. When driving alongside a safety zone, you must drive slowly, even when pedestrians are not present. False. You must not change lanes unnecessarily when driving. True. In areas where a "No Vehicle Crossing" sign is posted, you are prohibited from crossing with a left turn or right turn in order to enter or leave the roadside. False. Attempting to overtake an automobile ahead of you while the automobile is overtaking another automobile is double overtaking and is prohibited. True. When attempting to overtake by entering a lane to the right of the center line, you should pay particularly close attention to the oncoming traffic and abort the maneuver if there is any uncertainty. True. Overtaking is prohibited on a steep downhill, but passing is allowed. True. This sign indicates that overtaking is prohibited. False. Once you begin to overtake, you should not abort the attempt, even when it appears you may impede an oncoming vehicle or the like. False. Before starting the engine of an automatic vehicle, you must step on the brake pedal to confirm its position and verify the position of the accelerator visually. True. When parking an automatic vehicle, you should place the shift lever in P park, regardless of road conditions. True. While I realized I may have to come to a stop on the railway due to the congested traffic ahead, the alarm at the crossing was not sounding, and so I proceeded after ensuring that the tracks were clear. False.